Step 14. How to create a purchase order. Next, let's create a purchase order. From here, you can select the supplier you've already configured. For this example, we'll create a purchase order for 5 rollers. You can also set the ETA timeframe, specifying when you'd like the order to be delivered. Once everything is ready, simply click Add. The purchase order will then be created. From here, you can open the purchase order and view it in either PDF or Excel format. You'll also see the pricing details included in the order. If you've chosen to hide pricing in the order template, those prices won't appear on the document. To send the purchase order, simply click the plus button and choose whether you'd like to attach the PDF or Excel version. The selected file will be attached automatically. You can then enter your message. For example, "Hi John, please send these items," and click Email to send the purchase order to your supplier. If you return to the story, you'll see that the purchase order has been created and sent, along with the purchase order number for your reference.